Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier 1000 square FT35 Pint is a powerful solution for tackling excess moisture in various spaces, particularly in basements and bathrooms. This model is designed for areas up to 1000 square feet, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. The first notable feature is its efficiency. It can remove up to 35 pints of moisture from the air per day, which is impressive for its size. One of the standout aspects of the electric air dehumidifier is its smart technology. The built-in humidistat allows for automatic humidity control, ensuring that the desired moisture level is maintained without constant manual adjustments. The unit operates quietly, making it ideal for use in bedrooms or living areas, where noise can be a concern. Its sleek design is also a plus, as it easily fits into various decor styles without being an eyesore. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While the 35 pint capacity is adequate for many spaces, larger basements or particularly humid environments may require a more powerful model. Additionally, the water tank, although easy to remove and clean, can fill up quickly, necessitating frequent emptying if the humidity levels are high. Alternatively, the unit does have a continuous drainage option, which might be beneficial for those who want to avoid regular maintenance. The energy efficiency of this dehumidifier is commendable, as it operates with minimal power consumption. This not only helps in reducing electricity bills but also aligns with environmentally friendly practices. Overall, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a reliable choice for those looking to combat humidity-related issues in their homes. While it may not be suitable for every situation, its combination of smart features, quiet operation, and sleek design make it a solid investment for maintaining a comfortable living environment. For moderate moisture problems, it delivers excellent performance and ease of use.